Okay, hello everybody. It's nice to be here with you today. My name is Fayzullaev. I'm a graded computer science student from City College of New York and currently passing MTA internship at buses. So I would like to talk to you about an app we have been working over the last few weeks with our team, and I will focus on three parts: what applications, what kind of app we are building, technologies we are using, and what differs it from other similar apps in the market. So look at this report moment. Where is this bus? New York City bus network is extensive with over 5,000 buses carrying more than 2 million passengers every day. And unfortunately, consumers cannot rely only on schedules because buses may delay due to traffic jams, signal stops, and etc. And we tried to answer those 2 million questions. Where is my bus? So the answer is MTA Bus Time. MTA Bus Time uses global positioning system to track real-time location of buses, and this innovative lets you get information about when the next bus will arrive at your stop, while you're even at home, at the office, or shopping, dining. And right now, Bus Time is available as a website, desktop website, mobile website, and there are many third-party applications as well. But, official mobile app. MTA doesn't have an official mobile app, and we have tried to build something. After letting developers to build their own for several years, we decided to build it, and next I will talk about technologies we're using. So we're using three of them. It's a phone gap, jQuery mobile, and MTA Bus Time API. So I will start with the phone gap. Phone gap is really amazing, free and an open source framework which allows you to create app using web technologies like HTML, CSS, JS. You don't have to go to download SDKs or special frameworks for the iOS separate than Android. So you can use one open source and build apps for all modern mobile operating systems. jQuery Mobile is a touch-optimized web framework, so it allows you to create responsive web apps, and using the phone gap, you can convert it to the actual mobile app. And MTA Bus Time API, it's a developer API. It's free, completely free. You can go online, get the API, and using it, you can access information about buses within New York City. Responding to user requests, we try to understand and we have checked what other people are saying about other applications as well. We try to get results from user testing on the mobile website and user requests, and we came up with the most important 4 features. It's a search interface, it's a map, favorites, and nearby stops. So those are interfaces. So as you can see on the first image, it's a search interface. So now you can go to the search field. You now have to go through several clicks and select your route or your stop or whatever. You can just type in a geolocation like Town Square, Brighton Beach, or Coney Island. You can enter the intersection, Broadway and Moore Street, or 18th Street, East 18th and Coney Island, or etc. And you can type in lines, and it will show you the list of available data. So you select the bus, the line, and it goes to the next page. It's a main page. It's called the Add Stop page. So you will get information about arriving buses at your stop. And now the most important thing, favorites. We have requests from users that they cannot save stops. In the morning they don't want to, go through selection every time, so they can just go to the favorites, select the stop, and get information about buses. And the next cool thing, it's a map. So now you can go on the map and see the local stops as well. You can see real data and physical location of the buses on the map. And the blue dot over there is the stop where you're at right now, and buses shows you can see direction and upcoming buses for that stop. The project is open source. It's based on the Bitbucket. Everyone who wants to contribute, you can go and just join us and contribute. We are thinking about right now. Actually, I got an email today about a feature called the notification. So users want to get notification when their bus is coming to the stop. The last slide. So, well, it's all from me. Thank you very much. And if you have questions, I will be happy to answer. Actually, he was asking about the MTA developer API. So developer API is open and we are welcome to help if you need the working with the API. Right now we have information about schedules, and actually API says if it's on schedule or it's a terminal. So every API has information about schedules as well. So you can integrate with your data, as I know you have, you gather it and check with the API. So you can make kind of predictions as well. Yeah. I think it's not about developers. If you have API, you want other developers to play with that rather than building something already, and you can support it. So MTA has it for free, right? Why don't we just release API and let other developers to use it and play with it? So we can make something like solid and release it, right? But after a while, we're gonna be interested in that API. So we try to see how people will use it. I'm sorry? What did you They actually, from my point of view, they just want to show the last, like only information about one bus. I didn't say application which gives you all buses right now, so we end up including the 3 of them. All applications almost you can liking favorites, and some of them completely based on the map. So as you know, not all smartphones can support map and random maps, so it's not a good idea to make an application which works completely within my phone. So we try to integrate both of them, map and the like text information. So someone who wants to track the data from the like text-based information, they can check it. But someone who has like Samsung Galaxy S5, they can go on the map and use the map. All right, great. Well, let's get